pinned up Spectre shot 0391 Club Pro mode. I believe that's what I got going on. So 8% club and 2% ball for the pins. That's my setup, a bit outside the cup. I expect a little kick of the wind because it's elevated, although I'm not playing elevation here, and a bit past the cup as there's a tiny element of compression from the secondary wind or whatever. So 360 is the pull over here. Let's try this. Just out in the kick and in the cup. That's how you do it.